Good morning, YouTube. This is Nubs Hunts Treasure. I'm coming at you with another penny box. This week I hunted 2 boxes of dimes and a box of quarters, and I found no silver, no W's, no proofs, no nothing. Couple slight errors, in God we rust in the quarters, and a couple extra bear claws. So couldn't make a video with any of that. All of it together would have been about 3 minutes long. So we're gonna do another penny video. Let's crack this bad boy open. I just picked them up this morning. They sealed this box up wrong. That's alright. We have got circulation. And I'll check them for enders, flip them over, and be right back with you. Alright, I searched the enders. We do got one right here. It's 1950. Kind of hard to see, but we got one ender. A couple of 60s enders, some 70s. So let's start hunting these. We're going to look for some Wheaties, Indian heads, of course, airs and varieties, proofs, all sorts of stuff. Hopefully we find something. Alright, we're in roll 2. First roll got us 2009. Second roll, looks like we got a Canadian right here. 1983 Canadian. I missed it. Same roll as a Canadian. Roll 2. We got a 1948 out of Denver. First Wheatie of the box. Roll number 3 just laid it out, and I see another foreign right here. This one's a 1995 Canadian. That's the second Canadian in the box already. Alright, this is roll 4. This was our Wheatie ender. Right here. We already know the date. It's a 1950. Alright, she slowed down a little bit there. We are in roll number 8 now. Where'd it go? There it is. Or no, wait. Roll number 11 now. So there was a little lull there. We got a 1978 Canadian right here. I think it's pretty thick. That's weird. That's the third Canadian. I've been stacking up the 2009s pretty good. Alright, we're in roll 17 now, and I think this may be a good roll if I saw what I think I saw. We got wheat right here. Let's harvest it. Pretty new on reverse. Oops. 1944. I think I saw another one. Yeah, right here. Got a 1940 Philadelphia. 2-in-1 roll. After quite a while of finding nothing. I think that's all. But 2 in a roll is awesome. Back-to-back rolls. We're in roll 19 now, and I see some more wheat ears poking out right here. Got some good luster on it yet. Oops, I flipped it right off. It's 1942 Denver. Roll 21. We got a few more wheat ears sticking at us here. Sticking out at us, I should say. Looks pretty new. Can't get that flip down. 1953 out of Denver. It's the newest so far. I don't see anything else yet. Alright guys, we got 29 rolls done. Roll number 30 is right there. But have you ever seen greasy black rolls before? I mean, this is just crazy. All over the place. All kinds of them. I've never seen it before. I just thought that was crazy. Thought I'd share it with you guys. Roll 32, we got Canadian number 4. It's 1986. Pretty darn good year, if I do say so myself. Roll number 34, we got Wheatie number 7 right here. Kind of gunky. Maybe it's an oldie. Nope, just a 1944. See if I can get that guy to focus. There we go, 1944. We're on roll 43 or 41 right here. We got a dark Wheatie. And I don't know if you can read the date, but it's a 39. Let's see if we can get it to focus a little better. There we go. 1939. That's the oldest of the box so far. Roll 42. We got Wheatie number 2, 4. Wheatie number 9 already. 1951 out of Denver. Next one's Wheatie number 10. Let's find it. Alright, everybody. Box is done. We've hunted it all. Here's our finds. Not an epic box, but I'd say pretty average. I mean, we got one pre-40, and we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 Wheaties total. I'd say it's about average for me. We got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 2009s, 4 Canadians, and 4, I'd say AU-ish coins from the 60s. Not a bad box at all. I'd say about my average, and I was happy to find it. Everybody, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the penny hunt. Sorry I couldn't bring you an awesome box of quarters or an awesome box of dimes or something like that, but we'll try again next week. Thanks for watching, everybody.